Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showcasing my Google Budget Spreadsheet. Start by entering the dates and categories for both expected and actual values. Do not enter the actual values for the expense and savings planner, since those update automatically. Log all of your expenses and savings into its respective table, which will track all of your transactions for the specific month. This will assist you in keeping track of your transactions. In the Habit Tracker, start by changing the dates. To do that, double-click on the numbers for days. Do not edit the gray marked days. Enter your habits, take your notes, and start tracking. Use the Goal Tracker by simply typing your goals, choosing them, entering the status, start date, and due date. Enter any extra details in the notes.
This Google Budget Spreadsheet is simple and easy to use. It has an Instructions tab, Monthly Budget tab, a Bonus tab, and an Example tab. Thank you for watching my video. If you are interested in this budget, you can find the link in the description.